This is a UK 1 penny coin, year 2002, issued under Queen Elizabeth II. It was part of modern UK. Decimal coinage, started in 1971. Minted at Royal Mint. Location, Llantrisant. Queen portrait, front Ian rank broadly. Reverse design, Christopher Ironside. The purpose of this coin was to be used as everyday currency, 1 penny, in the UK. Part of the decimal system, 100 pence equals £1. It also represents British identity and monarchy. Front, obverse. Obverse shows the crowned mature head of Queen Elizabeth II facing right. Her effigy known as the fourth portrait. The Queen wears the girls of Great Britain and Ireland diamond tiara. A wedding gift from Queen Mary, Her Majesty's grandmother, in 1947, which she also has on the Machen and the Gottwald. Portraits.in small letters. Below the head, the artist's initials, IRB, for Ian rank broadly. Around. The effigy is the monarch's. Legend and the date. Elizabeth times 2 times D times G reg times F times D times 2002. Translated from Latin, Elizabeth II. By the grace of God, Queen. Defender of the Faith 2002. Back, reverse. Within a beaded circle. A crowned portcullis with chains, an adaptation of the Badge of Henry VII and now the Badge of the Palace of Westminster. Around above, the denomination 1 penny. Below, the value as a numeral, 1. Crowned portcullis with chains, symbol of British Parliament. Value, 1 penny. Metal, copper-plated steel. en.forenum.com. Weight, 3.56 grams. Diameter, 20.3 millimeters. Coinsanduck.com. Shape, round. Edge, plain. Total mintage, 601,446,000 coins. That is a very large number. So the coin is common, not rare. Official value, 1 penny, 1 penny. Used in daily shopping, very low value coin. Current market value, 2026. Depends on condition. Normal circulated coin. Around 1 penny, face value. Year, 2002. Country, United Kingdom. Monarch, Queen Elizabeth II. Mint, Royal Mint, Wales. Material, copper-plated steel. Mintage, 600 plus million. Current value. Normal, 1 penny only. Best case, up to £1 or slightly more. The United Kingdom. 1 penny coin was one of 3 new coins introduced into general circulation on the 15th of February, 1971, when the United Kingdom adopted a new decimal currency system. Between 1971 and 1991, 1 penny coins were made of bronze. The first copper-plated. Steel 1p coins were struck in 1992. The reason for this change was the increase in the price of metals on the world markets. The coins have a mild steel core and are electroplated with copper, consequently they are magnetic. They retained the original design by Christopher Ironside until the introduction of the new 1 penny by Matthew Dent in 2008. Most people think every old coin is valuable, but this coin is common and usually worth only face value unless it has a rare error. If you have any coin you talk to me comment section, I will tell you accurate details for your coins. Thanks for watching. If you are interested any coin video, so subscribe my YouTube channel.